A smoke detector that keeps beeping after a battery change can be confusing because the battery may not be the real problem. Before you touch the alarm, first make sure there is no real smoke, fire, burning smell, or carbon monoxide danger if you have a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. If there is any danger, leave the home and get help first. In this video, I will show you how to fix a smoke detector that is still beeping after a battery change. The problem could be the battery position, leftover charge inside the alarm, dust, poor battery contact, an expired smoke detector, or even another alarm nearby making the sound. Once everything is safe, we will check each of these causes step by step. First, make sure the beep is actually coming from this smoke detector. This sounds simple, but smoke detector chirps can be hard to locate because they may only happen once every minute. Stand close to the alarm and wait for the chirp. Make sure the sound is really coming from this unit before you start fixing it. If you have other smoke alarms or carbon monoxide alarms nearby, check those too because you may be troubleshooting the wrong alarm. Now check the new battery again, remove the battery and put it back in carefully. Make sure the positive and negative sides match the markings inside the battery compartment. Even if you just change the battery, it may not be sitting correctly. If the alarm still chirps, try another fresh battery, because a new battery can still be weak, old, or not making proper contact. Next, check the battery contacts inside the alarm. The small metal contacts must touch the battery firmly. If they are bent, loose, or dirty, the smoke detector may still think the battery is low. Look inside the battery area and make sure the battery sits tightly. If needed, gently adjust the contacts so they touch the battery properly. After that, reset the smoke detector after the battery change. Some alarms keep chirping because they still have leftover charge or memory from the old low battery. Remove the alarm from the ceiling and take out the battery. Then press and hold the test or reset button for about 15 to 30 seconds. After that, put the battery back in, attach the alarm again, and wait about 60 seconds to see if the chirping stops. If your smoke detector is hardwired, check the backup battery too. A hardwired smoke detector can still beep because many of them have a backup battery inside. Remove and reseat the backup battery or replace it with a fresh one if needed. Then reset the unit again. If you need to remove a hardwired alarm from the ceiling, turn off the power at the breaker first. Do not touch or change the house wiring if you're not comfortable with it. Now, clean dust from the smoke detector. Dust, dirt, or small debris inside the alarm can cause chirping or false alerts. Remove the alarm and clean around the vents using compressed air or a vacuum with a soft brush. Keep the cleaning simple and gentle. Do not damage the unit while cleaning it. Next, check the age or expiration date of the smoke detector. Remove the alarm and look at the manufacture date on the back. Most smoke detectors last around 7 to 10 years, depending on the model. If your alarm is older than that, changing the battery may not fix the problem because the whole smoke detector may need to be replaced. Also look for signs that the alarm is too old. If the plastic has turned yellow, if the alarm keeps chirping even after reset and cleaning, or if it does not respond properly when you test it, it may be safer to replace it. An expired smoke detector is not something to ignore because it may not protect you properly. If the beeping stops but comes back again, check for placement problems. A smoke detector can act up if it is too close to a kitchen, bathroom, steam, humidity, vents, or dusty areas. If it is a battery-powered alarm, poor placement can be one reason it keeps causing problems. But if it is a hardwired alarm, do not move the location yourself if you're not sure what you're doing. Finally, replace the smoke detector if nothing works. If it still beeps after a fresh battery, proper reset, cleaning, battery contact check, and age check, the best practical fix is to replace the unit. If it is hardwired and you're not confident with electrical work, use the same type of replacement or call a professional. That's it for this video on how to fix a smoke detector that keeps beeping after a battery change. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you find the real cause, whether it is the battery position, battery contacts, leftover charge, dust, the age of the alarm, or another alarm nearby. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple home troubleshooting guides. Have any questions, or did one of these steps work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.